Welcome back to the Productivity Podcast, where I give you a daily productivity tip so you can get the most out of your time, your talent, and your ideas. I'm your host, Brandon White. Here we go. Do you ever feel like your to-do list is an angry little troll constantly demanding attention and threatening to devour you whole? Deadlines loom, emails multiply like gremlins, and that nagging voice whispers, just 5 more minutes. On social media, we're all guilty of it. But fear not, there's a way to tame this chaos, prioritize like a pro, and actually get things done. The Eisenhower Matrix is a productivity tool that is as simple as it is powerful. It's a badass little grid that sorts your tasks based on 2 critical factors, urgency and importance. Think of it as a life-affirming decision tree where each task is asked, are you urgent and important? Are you important but not urgent? Are you urgent but not important, or neither? Let's break down how it's set up. Imagine a blank canvas divided into 4 equal squares. Each square represents a different category of tasks, categorized by their urgency and importance. The top left square, urgent and important. Think of these as fire drills, the tasks that scream for your immediate attention. Deadlines, presentation, client calls, anything that demands your focus right now. These tasks get your immediate attention. Top right square, important but not urgent. These are your long-term goals, the things that will move the needle in your life, but don't require immediate action. Skill building, exercising, learning the new language, things that fuel your future success. Schedule these for dedicated, focused blocks on your calendar. Bottom left square, urgent but not important. These are the distractions, the time wasters disguised as urgent needs. Phone calls that can wait, emails that you can batch, social media notifications. They're not important to your goals, but they might be screaming for your attention. Delegate these tasks if possible, or learn to say no and eliminate them from your plate. Bottom right square, neither urgent nor important. These tasks are the productivity purgatory, the things that clutter your mind and wind up on your to-do list, but don't deserve your time or energy. Unsubscribe from irrelevant emails, say goodbye to time-sucking hobbies, and eliminate these distractions altogether. The key to using the Eisenhower Matrix is to be honest with yourself when categorizing your tasks. Don't let urgency fool you into neglecting your long-term goals, and don't let distractions hijack your focus. With practice, the Eisenhower Matrix will become your productivity compass, leading you to a more efficient and fulfilling day. Some might scoff at the simplicity of this tool, but research shows it works. A study by the researchers at the University of California, Berkeley, titled "The Effectiveness of the Eisenhower Matrix for Improving Study Habits and Academic Performance" found that students using the Eisenhower Matrix to organize their study schedules saw a significant increase in their academic performance compared to those who didn't use it. So when you're feeling paralyzed by that overwhelming feeling of how many things you have to do and not knowing where to start, quickly divide a piece of paper into 4 squares and start categorizing what you have on your mind. It will guide you to a productive day. Your move. Hey, real quick before you go, please remember to hit follow on your podcast player. You won't miss any episodes, and it helps support us bring you the show daily. Thanks for listening. We'll talk tomorrow.